Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Jose here with Captain Hook Tree Climbing. Currently, we are finishing up a little job here. So what I wanted to do is just show you one of my current setups for the Rope Runner Pro. Here's a Rope Runner Pro. That's some XStatic line right there, 150 foot, no splices, strictly a SRT line. Got the Akimbo here. Gonna use this right here. I'm gonna use this foot ascender. Recently got a media mod for my GoPro Hero 9 and a little lapel mic for it as well. So just trying that out. Hopefully it sounds really good. A little bit windy today, so I hope the wind's not such a big issue anymore. I think that was pretty good right there. Nice shot, and we're gonna get this rope up in there real quick. All right, so hopefully this works. Let's send her up. Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna go do a quick basal anchor. This right here will give me direct access to the branches I need to trim. So I think I might go ahead and tie off that end. And then just to avoid breaking any branches up there, I'll tie it right here. Tie it to this side here. And you can pretty much just tie this up however you feel like doing it. I'll do a little cow's hitch. Cow hitch. Back it up with some half hitches there. Not just an SRT saddle. I use it for all my climbing, right? But it was designed by Petzl for SRT. And I'll show you guys one of the benefits to this saddle, and I kind of show it in most of my most recent videos. I speak about the belay. So the belay, you guys can see that is right here. These are your belay loops. This is the bridge. These are your belay loops. Not every saddle has them. I've seen very few saddles with them, but you can get your saddle with one of those. You'll be golden, I'm telling you, because the belay loops allow you to keep your system nice and short as you go up. And when you're going up in SRT fashion, that's exactly what you want. All right, everyone. So here's the Rope Runner Pro, and as you guys know, I feel like it's annoying that the Rope Runner Pro has so many slick pins. It's time consuming, but in the grand scheme of things, it doesn't really take that long. That's what makes this device so unique. The 3 points of contact that it makes on the rope. So at the pulley, in the middle, and then the friction bollard up top at the bird. And what I'll do today is I'll just I'll be tending it with my hand. Right here, this is the belay, tying into that. And that's gonna allow me to keep my system real short. You see how short that is? That's like down here. So I'll just be able, it gives you a lot of room to use your hands. Oh, and look, it kind of just moves right up on the belay. And you see, it's real easy. Very simple to do it this way. All right, so we've reached the height of the first few branches they need pruned. That was really easy to climb up. I didn't even need a chest ascender to help me come up. I will say that having the chest ascender makes it a little bit different, easier. I don't know. Okay, so going up with the Rope Runner Pro is, well, it's buttery smooth. It's so easy to go up with the Rope Runner Pro. It really is. It's incredible how simple it makes your SRT climb. Yeah. It's also semi midline attachable. So I don't know why anybody wouldn't want the double lanyard. Watch this positioning. And that's it for this trim, for this prune.